What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you guys how to do a bottom load window tint on a 2018 Ram 1500. These are the 4th gen. They ran from 09 to 18. We'll be doing a bottom load, meaning we're going to take off the sweep so we have more room, and we're going to bottom load this window. So I'll show you the steps and let's get right into it. All right, first thing we want to do is obviously get the sweep out. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to use my pry tool and just kind of get it behind there and wedge it and just give it a small twist there. And that gives me just enough space to get behind and pull my sweep out. Once my sweep is out, I'm just going to drape this over. And let's go ahead and grab our tint. So once we get the sweep off, I've already cleaned this glass before, so now I'm getting ready to install. I'm going to do one last cleaning before I come in to actually lay my film down. Now on the bottom load, I like to use a lot more slip. So I'm going to go ahead and get a lot of slip on my glass here. And especially down below here where I can't see. Let's get to the outside now. I'm going to just go ahead and pull the liner completely off this time. And I like to pull straight down. From here, I'm just going to use my right hand to grab the side, and with my left hand, I'm just going to cradle the film, walk it backwards. I'm going to start with that far corner here, nearest to the A-pillar, and just come down gently at an angle, and just kind of start feeding that film down. Now, I'm always mindful with my right side and my top here not to touch around the window where it could get contaminated. So once I've cleared the right side, I can go ahead and get that film flat and just keep feeding that in there gently. And once I've got my top to clear, the top of the window here, I can go ahead and roll it back over. From here, we're just going to go ahead and line it up. Find the alignment that we want. I'm going to start with my soft squeegee first. And just get rid of most of that water back there. Use my easy reach. Now from here, because I went with not a lot of pressure and a softer squeegee blade, I can actually come in and make slight adjustments still. Now that I'm sure, I'm going to use my Blue Max. This time I'm using more pressure. Nice even squeegee. I'm trying to remove all that water out of there. Once again, easy reach on the sides, pushing that water down. From here, just gonna go ahead and roll this window all the way up this time. And all I gotta do now is just squeegee the rest of this water. I'm gonna just go straight to my Blue Max in this case, and I'm gonna just go ahead and squeegee that all the way down. If you notice, I didn't shrink this window. If you distribute the film correctly, you should not have to shrink anyway. Squeegee that. I'm going to use my towel, find a clean side to it, and just real gently just clean my glass. Step to the outside once again, clean that side. And what am I looking for? I'm just making sure there's no light gap on either side as well as the bottom, making sure there's no contaminants. From there, I can just go ahead and hand this vehicle back to the client. So that's how you do a bottom load window tint on a Ram.